Welcome to our channel.
Why lose weight? There are many reasons for losing weight. No. 1 Appearance. People may feel that if they lose weight, they will look more attractive, fitter, or healthier. No. 2 Confidence and body image. People with excess weight or obesity may feel uncomfortable about their appearance. No. 3 Overall health. Maintaining an appropriate weight can help to boost overall health and prevent diseases such as type 2 diabetes. No. 4 Specific conditions. Symptoms of sleep apnea or type 2 diabetes, for example, may improve or go away when a person loses excess weight. No. 5 Fitness. A weight loss program that involves exercise can leave a person feeling fitter, with more energy and stamina. No. 6 Sports competitions. In some sports, such as boxing, an individual may seek to control their weight so that they can stay in their existing weight category. No. 7 Fertility. Fertility treatment appears to be more effective in women with obesity and polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, if they lose some weight before treatment. Diets. Many diet plans make amazing weight loss claims, and it can be hard to know to do. Some are evidence-based, safe and effective, but others are not. Most health professionals, dietitians, and nutritionists agree that the best results tend to come from combining a healthful, weight reduction diet with physical activity, especially in the long term. Proponents of many diets say they are extremely effective and require no effort at all. Unless they have been proven to be so in scientific studies, it is not possible to know how effective they really are. Calories. The number of calories a person needs depends on their age, gender, and level of daily activity. The number of calories per day you should consume to lose weight depends on several factors, including your sex, how much you want to lose, how quickly you want to lose it, and your age. If you want to lose weight, you would have to consume less than the amounts listed above. The less you consume, the faster you lose. However, it is important to follow a healthy, well-balanced diet so that you do not become ill, or lose lean tissue, muscle. Ideally, you should check with a dietitian, nutritionist or your doctor. In some regimes, dieters consume 1,200 calories per day if they are female and 1,500 if they are male. However, do not try to do this yourself without the supervision of a trained expert. You need to make sure your carbohydrate, protein, and fat ratio is right for good health. Recommendations for carbohydrate intake vary, from 20 to 60% for losing weight. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to our channel. Share and comment below.